Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and to my old subscriber that keeps coming back, thank you for your much love. So today we are making a very quick and easy snacks. This is a Chinese American cuisine or recipe. It is crispy outside and inside is tasty, filled with veggies, and it's so tasty. You can use any protein of your choice to make this recipe. And without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So first of all, we're gonna start by prepping our veggies. Over here I have some cabbage, onion, carrots. So let's start with the cabbage. Just take this out, and I'll be using half of this cabbage. So I'm done with the cabbage. I'll take it out, and it's time to grate our carrots. So for the carrots, I'm using my grater. So we are done with grating the carrots. So next, I'll be chopping the onion. As you can see, I'm done with prepping the veggie. So move over to the stove top for frying the meat. Into my pan over a medium heat, I'll go ahead to add some cooking oil. Allow it to heat up for some minutes. I'll add my garlic, saute the garlic for a few seconds, and also I'll be adding some chopped onion. Mix everything together. After that, next, this is the beef I'm going to be using. This is my protein of choice. You can make use of anyone you like, beef, pork, chicken, but I'm making use of ground beef. After that, I'll put my ground beef into my pan. Use my spoon. You can either use your spoon or spatula, whatever you're using, just to break it down. After breaking it down, you mix everything together. Allow to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes on a medium heat. So this is it after 12 minutes of cooking. Here we have our ground beef ready, and now I'll go ahead to add my carrots, stir it, and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. You don't want your carrot to be too soft. So after cooking it for 2 minutes, this 2 minutes later, now I'll go ahead to add some black pepper, some salt for taste, and mix as well. Mix everything to combine nicely. And now we're adding our sauce. I'll be using soy sauce, sesame sauce. Mix as well. Mix very well. Just want everything to be intact. So guys, if you're still watching to this point, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment for more videos like this. Thank you so much. So I'll also be adding some oyster sauce because I want a little kind of sweetening taste. Then we'll mix as well. After mixing this, we'll then go ahead to add our chopped cabbage. So you add your chopped cabbage and scallions. After we add this, we'll mix them and also cook them for 2 minutes as well. We don't want to overcook this. We don't want it to be that mushy but soft. Then this is it. After 2 minutes of cooking, our fillings are ready. We just go ahead to mix and allow it to cool down, turn off your stove, allow it to cool down, and next we go into filling our egg wrap with it. Now it's time to put our fillings into the wrap for frying. So this is the wrap I'm using, and also we have 1 egg for sealing. I'll just cut this off. Just take 1 wrap. This is it. I'm going to put a damp towel on the rest to prevent them from drying. So now it's time to fill in our wrap. So I'm making use of my spoon. I just use two spoonfuls. This way, and use some of the egg. Then use your egg to seal the edge. So this is it. So we'll continue to repeat the same process. So I'm using 2 spoons. And that's it. So I'm going to repeat this process until I'm done with the entire egg wrap. Now I'm done with wrapping everything. So this is what I have. It's time for frying. Over here I'm going to be deep frying the egg roll. So I'm using canola oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I prefer this one because there's a taste I get from it when I use this oil. So you allow your oil to heat up. After that, you're gonna be adding your egg roll into your pot or your pan, whatever you're using, one after the other. Please do not overcrowd it so it can fry very well, and you fry it for about 5 minutes. While that is being while you frying it, you have to stir it to avoid burn and make sure it's golden brown before you take it off the heat. As you can see over here, it's already golden brown. I'm going to be using a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. After draining out the excess oil, you have to repeat the same process for the rest. As you can see, we have come to the end of the video, and this is what we have. This is our egg roll. It's ready to eat, and here we have our dipping. This is sweet chili sauce. So let me know in the comment section what kind of dip you love to enjoy yours with, and make sure you try this recipe. It's so easy, very easy to have. Let me show you how the inside looks. Let's just get one, and so this is how the inside looks. As you can see, just look at it. It's so crunchy outside and super tasty inside. See the fillings? These are really tasty. So make sure you try this with your family and friends, and also when you do, let me know how yours turned out in the comment section. And also I'm gonna be leaving the full measurements of everything I use in the description box. Please make sure you always go there to check them. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in my next one. Bye.